There are different kinds of bread produce in our country. Different names are given in every bread. In producing these baked products you need special tools and equipment in baking. To make baking easier for you, you need to familiarize the different tools and equipment used in producing bread and pastries and their uses. Baking tools are those handy materials used in baking, while equipment are those heavy materials used in producing and baking baked products. These involve mechanical operation. Baking tools and its uses. Measuring spoons. A set of spoons used to measure small amounts of ingredients. The usual set includes 1 tablespoon, 1/2 teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon, 1/3 teaspoon, 1/8 teaspoon. Liquid measuring cup, a clear cup with numbers, used to measure an amount of liquid ingredients, used to measure plenty of liquid needed in your recipe. Example, cooking oil, water, etc. Measuring cups is a set of marked cups used to measure dry ingredients such as flour and sugar. They are either made of plastic, aluminum or stainless steel, are ideal for medium to larger amounts of dry ingredients. The latter comes as set of 1/4 cup, 1/3 cup, 1/2 cup and 1 cup. The measuring line is even with the top of the cup. Weighing scale, used to measure the weight of the items or ingredients. Most recipe ingredients are measured by weight. Accurate measurement are important. Example, 500 grams of flour, 2 grams of baking powder. Wooden ladle, a ladle that is made from wood, commonly used in creaming and mixing. This also comes in different sizes and shapes. Wire whisk, this tool is made of thin wires, used in beating egg, especially more than one egg. This can produce a foamy texture. Dough cutter, a tool with a sharp edge used to cut dough. Note, dough is a mixture of flour and water enough to be kneaded. Some of the handles are made of wood. Spatula, a long flexible blade with rounded end, is used mostly for spreading icing on cakes. Rolling pin, long cylinder of wood used to roll over the dough with the palms of hands, usually made of plastic and wood. Strainer, needed for sifting dry ingredients to make it more smooth and finer. Also used to separate liquid from solid particles. A round-bottomed, cup-shaped tool made of screen or hold metal, with a handle on one side. Rubber scraper, a tool used for mixing and scraping mixture on the side of a bowl. This is also used in scraping ingredients left in the mixing bowl. This comes in different colors and sizes. Round baking pan. Baking pans comes in different sizes and shape, and are used in baking cakes with a round shape. Loaf pan, used for making loaf bread or sliced bread. Pizza pan, a perforated circular flat sheet intended for cooking pizza to yield a crispy crust. Grater, used to grate food into finer form. Example, chocolate bar and cheese. Sheet pan or baking sheet, a shallow, rectangular pan, 1 inch, 25 millimeters deep, used for baking jelly rolls, and other baked goods. Tube pan or chiffon pan, pan for baking chiffon cake, comes in different sizes. Center tube can be removed. Mixing bowls, bowls suitable for making cakes, pies, cookies and other baked goods where ingredients are to be mixed. Cupcake or muffin pan, an aluminum pan and rectangular in shape, used in baking cupcakes or muffins. Pie pan, this comes in different sizes. Mostly it is made of aluminum. Cookie sheet, used in baking cookies. Baking equipments. Industrial oven, used for baking different baked products. Usually this kind of oven is used in the bakery. Gas range, a kind of oven that is also used in baking bread, cakes and pastries. Hand mixer, a motor-powered device used to stir and blend mixtures used in baking. Heavy-duty mixer, a heavy-duty mixer that is used in creaming and making icing. Please leave a like if this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.